Hi everyone. Welcome back to Evolution of Productivity, where we help you unlock your potential, achieve financial independence, and create the life you deserve. In today's video, we're talking about side hustles, more specifically, the kind of side hustles you can easily start on weekends or during your evenings. Whether you're looking to pay off some bills, save for a vacation, or simply create an additional stream of income, side hustles can make a big difference. So grab a notepad, because today we're diving into the world of side hustles that can bring you extra cash without overwhelming your schedule. Let's dive in. Let's start with the why. Why even bother starting a side hustle? Well, for many people, their 9-to-5 paycheck just isn't enough to cover all their goals and dreams. Maybe you want to save more aggressively, get out of debt, invest in something special, or simply enjoy a few more luxuries without financial stress. Side hustles aren't just about money, they're about freedom. Freedom to make choices, freedom from living paycheck to paycheck, and the freedom to invest in the things that matter most to you. The extra cash can help you live life on your terms. Our first side hustle idea is freelance writing or editing. If you enjoy writing or have a knack for grammar, this could be a great option for you. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer allow you to find writing and editing jobs based on your skills. You could write articles, blog posts, or even website copy for clients. The great part about this side hustle is its flexibility. You can work on projects during weekends or evenings and set your own rates. It's also one of the fastest ways to get started since there's no upfront investment needed, just your skills and internet access. Next up is creating and selling digital products. Do you have a talent for graphic design, writing, or organizing information? You can create digital products like planners, ebooks, printable templates, or even educational courses. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable make it easy to sell these products. The best part: once you create the product, it can continue to generate income with minimal ongoing effort, meaning you can make money while you sleep. This is a perfect side hustle for creative individuals who want to use their skills to generate passive income. If you like driving, consider becoming a ride-share driver or delivering food for services like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Uber Eats. This is one of the easiest ways to make extra money because you can choose when and where you work. Weekends and evenings are often peak times, meaning you can earn more during those hours. Plus, you'll get to meet new people and explore your area. It's a great way to turn your downtime into extra income. Do you love animals? Pet sitting and dog walking could be the perfect side hustle for you. Websites like Rover or Wag allow you to connect with pet owners in need of help. Pet sitting is especially popular on weekends when people are traveling, while dog walking is ideal for evening hours when people are too busy to take their pets out. It's not only a great way to make extra money, but it's also an opportunity to get some exercise and spend time with animals. Truly a win-win. Another excellent side hustle is renting out space or belongings you're not using. Have an extra room or a basement? You can rent it out on Airbnb and make significant extra income, especially during weekends and holiday seasons. Alternatively, you can rent out equipment like cameras, tools, or even your car using platforms like Turo. Renting out items that would otherwise sit idle is a great way to make money with very little effort. Do you have expertise in a particular subject? Online tutoring is a fantastic side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your home. Whether it's teaching English as a second language through platforms like VIPKid, or helping students with math, science, or other subjects via tutor.com, You can earn money while sharing your knowledge. Most tutoring sessions can be scheduled on weekends or evenings, making this a flexible way to bring in extra income. So there you have it. Some simple and effective side hustle ideas that you can start right away to earn extra income. Whether you want to drive, teach, create, or connect, there's a side hustle out there that fits your skills and lifestyle. The key is to take action. Choose one that speaks to you and start today. Remember, a little extra effort now can lead to big financial rewards in the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Evolution of Productivity for more insights on financial growth and self-development. What side hustle are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.